Paras Khadka is a Nepali cricketer and the current captain of the Nepali national cricket team. All-rounder Paras Khadka is a right-handed batsman, a right-arm medium-fast bowler, and a occasional off-break bowler. He made his debut for Nepal against Malaysia in April 2014. He is currently the number 174 ranked T20 batsman in the world, achieving the 278 rating benchmark on 17 July 2015. Paras Khadka became the sixth Nepali cricketer to score an international century when he hit an unbeaten 106 of 77 ball against Kuwait during the 2012 SEC Trophy Elite in October 2012. Mira Rai is a young woman from a remote village in Nepal who always dreamed of being successful in sport. When she was older, she traveled the long distance to Kathmandu to try her luck. Out of money, she was about to return home to her village when, by chance, on a morning run, she meets another runner who tells her about a long running race in the local hills. She wins it and soon begins to realize her tall mountain village upbringing has prepared her perfectly for this sport. Mirarai follows the journey of this spirited Nepali village girl on her pursuit to being a world recognized mountain runner. From a tiny hilltop village in eastern Nepal, like most girls in Nepal, Mira's young life was very active, walking to school, doing farm work, hauling water from the bottom of the hill, walking days to the market and returning with a heavy load. Mira dropped out of school at 14 and joined Maoist rebel for 2 hours, effectively becoming a child soldier. Bimal Tam- Bimala Tamang is a Nepalese karate player who recently won bronze for women's individual kata in karate at the 2014 Asian Games in South Korea. This was Nepal's first and only medal held at the 2014 Games. During the 2012 All Ahel International Karate Open in Dubai, UAE, Tamang landed herself several medals in the individual joint kata. Joined bronze in the female seniors, a gold in female U18A, silver in kata teams female U18A, and Kumite team female U17A. Bimal Gartimegar is a Nepalese footballer who plays as a forward for the Nepal U23 and Far Western FC in the Nepal National League. Bimal was the product of Central ANFA Academy, which is controlled by the All Nepal Football Association and ANPA, and the Nepal national football team. Bimal is also the sixth youngest male scorer and international debutant in the world, making him the youngest Nepalese player to debut at the age of 14 and score at the age of 15 for Nepal national team. Basantmari Rekmi uh, is a Nepali cricketer, all-rounder. Rekmi is left-handed batsman and left-arm orthodox spinner. He made his debut for Nepal against Namibia in March 2006. He is currently the number 66 ranked T20 bowler in the world, achieving the 380 rating benchmark on 17 July 2015. He is the captain of Kantipur Gorkhas of the Nepal Premier League. He also plays for the APF club in the National League. Gyanendra Malla is a Nepali cricketer who is the current vice captain of the Nepal national cricket team. He is a right-handed batsman and an occasional wicket keeper. He made he made his debut for Nepal against Namibia in March 2006. Gyanendra Malla became the seventh Nepalese cricketer to score an international century when he slammed 114 of 125 balls against Singapore during the 2040 ICC World Cricket League Division 3 in October 2004. He is the captain of Colors X Factors of the Nepal Premier League. He also represents the APF club that plays in the National League. He also plays for the Yangal club. Prithu Baskota is also a Nepalese cricketer. All-rounder Prithu is right-handed batsman and right-armed off-break bowler. He made his debut for Nepal against Maldives in November 2010. He represents the APF club of the National League and Gold Gate International College, which plays in the SPA Cup. Sarat Beswakar is also Nepali cricketer. He is right-handed middle-order batsman and right-arm off-break bowler. He made his debut for Nepal against UAE in March 2004. He is currently the number 80 ranked T20 batsman in the world, achieving the 250 ranked benchmark on 17 July 2015. Sharad Beswakar became the third Nepalese cricketer to score an international century when he slammed an unbeaten 105 of 134 balls against Fiji during the 2010 ICC World Cricket League Division 5 in February 2010. He is the captain of Panchakanya Tej of Nepal Premier League. He also represents the APF club of the National League and the Sudur Paschimachal Academy, which plays in the SPA Cup. Shakti Prasad Gauchan is a Nepalese cricketer. All-rounder Shakti is right-handed batsman and left-arm orthodox spinner. He made his debut for Nepal against Oman in July 2002. He is the first Nepalese cricketer to take an international hat-trick. He is currently the number 77 ranked T20 bowler in the world, achieving the 329 rating benchmark on 17 July 2015. Shakti Gauchan became the second Nepalese cricketer to score an international century when he slammed an unbeaten 106 of 103 balls against Italy during the ICC World Cup qualifying series in February 2005. He is the captain of Jagadamba Giants of the Nepal Premier League. He also represents the APF club of the National League and New Horizon College, which plays in the SPA Cup. Sompal Kami is also Nepali cricketer. All-rounder Sompal is right-handed batsman and right-arm fast-medium bowler. He made his debut for Nepal against UAE in January 2014. His bowling speed was measured above 140 km during the match against Afghanistan in the 2014 ICC World 2020. He is currently the number 82 ranked T20 bowler in the world, achieving the 316 rating benchmark on 17 July